Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning students, today we will start the chapter number 6, integers. Before we learn the integers, we will revise the 5th standard course in which we have already learned the whole numbers and the natural numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? Whole numbers are always started by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is no greatest whole number in the world. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are always started by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is no the biggest whole number, natural number in the world. That means smallest whole number is 0 and the smallest natural number is 1. But you can see it that the whole numbers and natural numbers both are positive numbers. Positive numbers. There is no any negative number is included in this both. But integers, that means in which whole numbers, natural numbers and negative numbers are also included. In which negative numbers are also included, these are called integers. This is the definition of integers. What do you mean by integers? Integers in which 0, positive integers, negative numbers, all are included. This is called integers. Okay? Understood? And now you can see on the page 116, the definition of integers is given. It will start from here 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the definition of integers. This definition you have to write 2 times in your notebook. You have to write 2 times in your notebook. And now we will start the representation of integers on a number line. We will represent the numbers on number line. We will learn how will you represent the numbers on number line. For that, you have to draw a number line. And the mid of the number line, there will come 0 and the right side of the 0. Always remember it. At the right side of the 0, always positive numbers will come. Right side of the 0, always positive number will come. On the left side of the 0, negative numbers will come. On the left side of the 0, negative numbers will come. From this, we can better understand that where is the positive number 2, 3, 4, so and so, and where are the negative numbers. Okay, if you have to show any number, you can point out it. That means when we are going to show 2, you have to move from the 0 2 steps. If it is number is positive, then you have to move right side of the 0. If the number is negative, you have to move left side of the 0. You can see it that when we are moving from left to right side, the numbers become bigger and bigger, and we move from right to left side, the numbers become smaller and smaller. That means as 2 is greater than 1. Why? Because 2 is the right side of the 1 and 1 is the left side of the 2. Left side number is always lesser than the right one. 3 is greater than the 2 because 3 is right side of the 2. Same as here in negative figures also. 0 comes in the right side of the minus 1. That means 0 is greater than minus 1. Minus 1 comes right side of the minus 2. That means minus 1 is greater than the minus 2. जैसे जैसे हम राइट साइड जाएंगे वैसे वैसे हम बड़े होते जाएंगे. जैसे जैसे हम लेफ्ट साइड जाएंगे हम छोटे होते जाएंगे. हमारे नंबर्स छोटे होते जाएंगे. जो भी नंबर दूसरे नंबर के राइट साइड है वो हमेशा बड़ा होता है. अगर -1 -3 के राइट साइड है तो -1 -3 से बड़ा है. जो राइट साइड नंबर आता है वो हमेशा बड़ा होता है. इसलिए माइनस की फिगर जितनी बड़ी उतनी ही छोटी. ओके. Now 119. Here points are given A, B, C, D, E. Write down these points in your notebook 2 times and learn 10 times. Because if you learn it hotly, you can betterly understand the whole chapter. And now we will start exercise 6.1 question number 3. Exercise 6.1 question number 3. Represent following numbers on a number line. Represent the following numbers on a number line. For all these, we had to draw different number line for each question. Okay? So, okay, let's start exercise 6.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में है कि ये जो नंबर्स मिले हुए हैं वो हमको नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं. हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट दिस नंबर्स ऑन नंबर लाइन? For each question, we had to draw different number line. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here minus numbers will come. Now what we had to show? Plus 5. Plus 5, that means positive integer. That means we have to move 5 steps right side of the 0. We have to move 5 steps right side of the 0. Why? Because number is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is our answer. We have show this 5 on the number line. Next is -10. Next question is -10. For that we have to draw number line again. Again we have to draw number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and positive numbers. Here negative numbers on the left side of the 0. 5. -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. Minus number, negative number is asked. So we have to move 10 steps from the 0 to the left side. From the 0 to the left side because the number is given negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is our answer. It is our answer. We have shown the minus 10 is at here. In number C, plus 8. What is asked? Plus 8. As it is positive number. For that we have to draw a number line. Positive numbers on the right side of the 0 and negative number on the left side of the 0. Okay, is it clear? What is asked? Plus 8. What is asked? Plus 8. As plus 8 is positive, so we have to move right side of the 0. We have to move right side of the 0. How many steps? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is our answer. It is our answer. Now, see here, beta, हमने इसके 3 सम्स बोर्ड पर किए. वो 3 सम तो आपको करने ही हैं. बाकी डी और ई दोनों सम अपने आप करने हैं. 3 सम्स बोर्ड पर से देखकर करने हैं और डी और ई सम्स आपको अपने आप करने हैं. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. What is asked in each of the following pairs? Which number is to the right side, the other on the number line? इसमें हमको बताना है कि कौन सा नंबर दूसरे नंबर के राइट साइड है. कौन सा नंबर दूसरे नंबर के राइट साइड है. फर्स्ट इज आस्क्ड to 9. First is asked to 9. For that we have to draw number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here minus numbers on the left side. Here is 2. We have already learned the previous exercise. Where is 9? Here is 9. From this, you can betterly understand which number is right side of the other one. Now, 9 is here, 2 is here. Which one is on the right side? 9. Okay? 9 is the right side of 2. 9 is the right side of 2. It is our answer. It is our answer. Number second is asked minus 3 minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8. For that we have also draw the number line. Here 0 positive on the right side and negative on the left side. We have already discussed 8. Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Where is minus 3? Okay, it is minus 3. Where is minus 8? Here it is, there is minus 8. Which one is right side of the other one? Yes, very good. Minus 3 is right side of the, minus 3 is the right side of the minus 8. It is our answer. Exercise 6.1 question 6 का C. 0 and minus 1. We have to show this number on the number line. We have to show this on number line. -1, -2, -3. Where is 0? Here is 0. Where is -1? Here is -1. Now see here, which number is the right side of the other one? Yes, 0 is the right side of -1. 0 is the right side of -1. It is our answer. It is our answer. Next is asked -11 and 10. -11 and 10. For that we have to draw the number line. 1, 2 positive on right side, negative on left side. Okay. Now, where is -11? Here. From the left side of the 0. From the left side of the 0, -11 is at here. Where is 10? On the right side of the 0. Here is 10 is given. Now see here, 10 is at here, -11 is at here. From this number line, you can better understand where is the 10. 10 is the right side of -11. 10 is the right side of -11. It is our answer. It is our answer. We have done the sum A, B, C, D on the board. ये 4 सम तो आपको बेटा करने ही हैं. फिर नंबर E और F, नंबर E और F ये दोनों भी आपको सम्स करने हैं. ठीक है? ओके.